Hi, Wendy here. I'm going to show you how I use these products, the Happy Coffee and the Happy Hot Chocolate that I'm talking about, and the supplement pill. So, in the morning, half hour before I drink the coffee, take one of these. Then all you do is, I'm just going to actually make myself a cup now, hot water. And I start with, in the morning, half a scoop in the morning, and then a half a scoop in the evening, because you only need 1 cup a day. And then the chocolate, now this one is bigger, 1 scoop. And with this, I usually make in my bullet and make a milkshake out of it. So you add milk, and then you add a scoop of this because the chocolate doesn't dissolve as quick and as well as the coffee. So then, coffee's done. I guess I should put a scoop in the water. So I just add the coffee to hot water. I don't add it to my regular coffee, I just drink it by itself. I've noticed that when I use a full scoop, it's a little too strong for me. I don't really like the taste of it. But when I use half a scoop in some hot water and I get a full cup, that's when I enjoy the taste of it then. So, here's to Happy Coffee and Happy Hot Chocolate.